Negative radar coverage at Van Nuys. Think left traffic, runway 16 left.
Oh, we didn't report 4 mile, but I guess he talked to us.
Yeah, he's talking to us.
991, report downwind of beam, 16 left, 182 Sierra.
Number 1 Delta Kilo, traffic soon to turn base, landing the parallel sport cruiser.
Looking for traffic, 1 Delta Kilo.
Number 01 Lima, turn left crosswind.
Left crosswind for 0 Lima.
Van Nuys Tower 4593 X-ray, just over San Jose Pass, inbound, full stop.
Cherokee 4593 X-ray, Van Nuys Tower, Van Nuys altimeter 29901.
Right on.
Radar coverage at Van Nuys.
Just got your third red. You're good.
Report 3 miles.
Full report, 3 miles, 16 right, 93 X-ray.
All right, 85. 84. 82, 76.
When you die, the keys to heaven can't be bought.
Yeah.
Still don't know what love is, but we sure know what it's not. Sometimes you got to get a